A little boy named Shakeel Patterson has gone missing since August 18, 2024 in Westmoreland, Jamaica, and everybody stopped about him. Shakeel Patterson was 4 years old from Barham district in Westmoreland. He was last seen at a grave digging for his great-grandmother, that is his father's grandmother. Shakeel was of dark complexion and slim build. He was wearing a grey and white shirt, black shorts, and a black and white pair of Crocs when he disappeared. Now, the last time he was seen, he went to his adoptive mother, asked her for something to drink at around 2 p.m. on August 18th, and she did not see him again from that. This is where things get a little bit weird. From the day Shakeel was born, 2 weeks after he was born, he was given to his adoptive mother, who is his father's aunt. So he was staying with his father's side of the family. So they grew him up until 4 years old. He got close to the grandmother that passed away, and she left him our bed. Only know how granny stay. Left him our bed, left him certain things because she say he don't really have nobody but them in this world. His mother gave him away to his father's aunt because she was going to look a different life in Barbados. His mother is currently overseas. What is crazy is that his father didn't want anything to do with him because his father did claim that he doesn't belong to him. His father claimed that him is a jacket. Shakeel's adoptive mother made a very disturbing statement. She said that when she saw his alleged father talking to the news outlets, she said the way how him and his friends talk, it seems like they know where Shakeel is, but only God knows why. Shakeel's adoptive mother also said that since the grave digging and Shakeel's disappearance, nobody talks to her. This is Shakeel's adoptive mother's side of the story.
Wake up the yard, the spot where we keep clean up the place and something. And I stop and say, anybody see Shakeel? Everybody say no. So everybody keep searching. Me grab a stool now and just where Shakeel could have gone. I wonder where Shakeel could have gone.
This is Shakeel's alleged father's side of the story.
His father told TVJ News that he was at the river when he got the news. He says Shakeel was at the grave digging with his aunt, who has been raising him since he was a baby.
Same time, I jump on the bike, and my big brother jump on the bike. We come up, when I come up, we go and look, we see if we walk way or nothing, which you know, say, now go away. And I go there for ramping. Alright, come up, let him go back, go look. Along with me, I go look also. And we don't see him come back over, so I'm looking at a bush or something. I was still not finding no sign of him.
He says ever since the incident, he's been having sleepless nights. The father says he's not aware of anyone who would want to hurt him.
This is Shakeel's biological mother's side of the story.
Oh no, the first time, no, listen, when I went down there every other month.
Oh.
Every other month I went down there.
Oh.
Yes, sir, yes, ask the auntie, yes, man, I went down there look for him, yeah. I usually went every 3 weeks.
Oh.
Go down there and come back up in Spanish Town, yes. I'm gonna get me stay till I started to travel now.
So the last time you go there was in 2022 when you go look for him?
Yes.
All right.
Right.
Are you communicate with him since them the time there? You call and send every send?
Yes, every day up to now, up to last, up to 2 weeks ago, me call her and tell her I send money for back to school for the trial.
Yes.
Even today, before I heard the news, I called and I even said to the girl that I work, in overseas, I said to the girl that, so never send next week, I send the money for the baby to buy him shoes or anything what she want to do with the baby money to spend on him. And when I hear this news today, I friend said I couldn't believe, sir, I couldn't believe.
So you realize that some people are saying
I'm very upset, sir. I try to be no upset. God no big man, not to be no big man. I'm so very upset. But she said, if I him really take with the baby, the father of the child, you are a wicked man. I'm gonna go beat him if I him do it.
you know what? You read the comments. Some people are saying, are you with the child?
Yes, she told me that the aunt said tell you, the answer say she put in the newspaper and put it to you, say, she sure that I don't take the child. Because if I take the child, my parents, everybody in Spanish don't know, say, I don't take that child, big man. Everybody in Spanish don't know that. And then Barbados, I'm in foreign now, so I'm going to take the child and my husband is right here, so beside of me.
Because some people are saying,
the child, and the child not even on a passport.
well, let me ask you something.
I'm saying money, let me people say money go to Western Union last month to Barbados.
So let me ask you something. Would your people then would you want the child?
Yes, I'm the mother we take him, of course. Even my mother goes with me, sir. At times if we go for the baby a country enough time. But through the lady and the lady have a son, big son died too, you know. That is both from last year. Both from 2021. Our son died 2022, one of them year there. Our big son died. So true, our big son go die now, and she not no more boy finish she adapt to my son too. And just love the little boy more. I shouldn't have any more son.
But you know, some people are going to hear this now and say, boy, since your mother want the child. No, what I say is people are going to hear and say, since your mother want the child, I go to send for him. You know, some people are going to say that.
Yeah, me understand. Me that's the moment me not talk about no. That's how when look about just born.
Oh, when the baby just born.
People that Spanish don't know everything. I love that she cuss me down there.
Oh.
You understand what me I say? Yeah, before you look about just born, me not tell about sir. Me not talk about no. If you even take a look at boy, right? I'm a penny. Me not free to put it on social media. Say I'm a penny. I full time no more. I'm a penny no more. Until me I take him.
Oh, you're
afraid that.
You're the
afraid to talk that, sir.
Oh, me get you.
You understand what I say? If I'm a penny behaves, that's what me I say to you. When I say yeah, Pavel, I'm going to take him where I'm not penny. Me want him no full time no. Me forget him no. So I'm not afraid to say I'm want him.